Rabbit.
Hi.
Hello, Monkey Boy.
Hi. Phew.
What is it, Rabbit?
It's such a hot day.
Whew, that's right. It is a very hot day.
The sun is shining bright, and there's no clouds.
Oh yes, the sun is shining bright, and you're right. There isn't a cloud in the sky. Oh, can you hear that?
Ice cream! Ice cream!
Oh no, it just drove right on by us.
Ice
Call
cream!
louder.
Ice cream! Oh,
Call louder.
ice cream! Ice cream!
Oh, there you are. Who wants ice cream?
Me!
What flavor do you want?
Chocolate, please. Strawberry, please. Banana, please.
Here you go.
Yummy! Yummy! Brr. Ice cream is cold!
It will make you no longer feel hot.
Yeah!
Enjoy your ice cream, Fox, Rabbit, and Monkey Boy. See you next time.
Yeah!